say my name.
Lizzy Belch?
I just have like these thoughts that just like come from like my brain or whatever. What? Oh, I love you more than shrimp on the bobby, ma. Like so like disgusting or whatever. I guess she's like wearing like a famous dress or whatever, so they let her on like a Wear a Vang or like an Oscar de la Hoya or whatever. She took out like a 5-hour energy shot or whatever, and I have like 2 hours of energy left. Mary was having a baby in a barn. Like I figured she wanted to like talk about it or at least like tweet about it or whatever.
You talking to me?
I totally could have been like Darth Vader even, like